I would like to say that I am very pleased and honored to be chosen as a chairman of this conference, and I really found it very interesting. It is very well organized. I gave the plenary lecture about the use of photodynamic therapy in the treatment of cancer. And the idea of this goes back to the ancient Egyptians, who realized that people do eat some plants from the banks of the Nile and then would be exposed to the sun. Then in this case, they got burned. So they searched about such plants, which contains what we know as photosynthesizers. And the sun is making photosensitization for these compounds. So their idea is to use these plants, ground it with the olive oil, and make it as a paste and put it on the diseased skin, and then expose it to the sun. And doing this, the photosensitizers inside it, which we know it now as a photosynthesizer, makes the cure of these diseases. Now we are using the photosensitizers, extract them from the plants, and also using the lasers instead of the sun in a technique known as a photodynamic therapy. And in generally speaking, this is my plenary lecture in this conference, but the other colleagues made presentations, which is very interesting, concerning with the early diagnosis of different types of tumors, also ways of prevention of having the tumors. And the third thing, which is most important, is the network between the scientists from different parts of the world and to make collaboration, and the companies also, and the exhibitors. This is a platform, which is an international platform. I'm very glad to be here and to attend it, and thank you very much indeed for inviting me as a chairman and to share with the people my knowledge and to gain knowledge.